Action. Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Okay, we've got a hot one for you today, literally. It's the original Poppers brand cream cheese jalapenos. You can get these at Costco. Somewhere right around 10 bucks. I think I got a rebate off of it for $3 or so off of it. So maybe it's a good deal to buy right now, but I've had some of these already. So I'm not gonna tell you what I think yet, but I'm gonna show you how we make them. We're gonna put them in the air fryer. And it says here, you can deep fry or oven. If I put it in the oven, it wants me to cook it for 9 minutes. We're about at 450, or if we deep fry it, 3 minutes at 350. So I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, and I'm gonna do it for around 6 minutes at 350, and we'll see if that's long enough. I think it is. So this is how it comes, bag full. This is what they look like frozen. Battered jalapeno with cream cheese in the middle. Right around 6 of them, there you go. They're decent size, about the length of my finger. Now I've cooked these before. Gotta be careful because you cook them too long and the cream cheese pops out the side and then it's just it's hollow inside of it. We don't want that. We're gonna put it 350 and right around 6 minutes. We'll just keep checking and I'll let you know how long it actually does take. Okay, and while it's cooking real quick, 3 pieces equals 260 calories. 5 grams of protein, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 16 grams of fat. So, you know, I don't know if you'd want to eat too many of them, but again, this might be great for the Super Bowl coming up. Okay, let's check this. Hear that? Yeah, I think we're good. That's, I don't have any cream popping out the side yet, so that's good. But 6 minutes at 350 in the air fryer. No, hey, I take that back. It's still cold in the middle, not even close. All right, so when it starts fizzing on the outside, that doesn't mean it's ready. Okay, I'm put it back in. Now, the oven said 9 minutes at 350, so I guess I'm gonna shoot for 9 minutes at 350. Okay, all right, so I put them back in for about 3 more minutes and then started to have the cream cheese start popping out the side, so I'm figuring it's probably done. So we'll see. So let's check them out, let's see. I'm gonna cut this open again. See what that looks like. Jalapeno in the middle and cream cheese. Let's see if this one's done now. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I just tasted it, it's done. So about 9 minutes is what you want to do. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you can definitely taste the jalapeno in that. I mean, it is a jalapeno popper, right? Can't really taste a lot of the cream cheese in there. So right now it's like a battered jalapeno. I've even done this before with these. Taken the jalapeno out and then just ate it with the cream cheese. Austin here's he's gonna test this out. Give it a shot. Tell him what you think. It's hot though. I can taste it like right now. The back of my mouth is burning a little bit. Is that done? Well, let me know.
I can taste it and
let us know.
Jalapeno.
You taste that jalapeno? Mm-hmm. Hot? Okay, well, what would you recommend? Oh, here, you still have it in your mouth. Would I buy this again? Maybe, but you want to be able to have a bunch of people with you to eat it, because for me just to try to, eat 52 of these over the course of however many years that would take, right? Doesn't seem real realistic, but maybe for a party or something like that, it'd be a lot of fun. They're good. I wouldn't say they're great. I like it more without the jalapeno. That's just me. So I'd give it somewhere probably in a ballpark. I'm gonna say like a 6.2.
The one that I had, you definitely taste the cream cheese in the bigger one that I had. So I think it just really depends on which part you have.
And if you want your mouth to burn or not.
Yeah, right? So with that.
Yeah. I'd say I'd get these jalapenos for a party, probably, but just buying them just to have, maybe not.
I would say probably about a 7.
Oh, you're going 7.
I mean, I like jalapeno poppers. I mean, I like spicy food.
Yeah,
but I'd buy it. Only for a party, not like this for me and my family to have.
Yeah.
Of course, a party. Since some people, they like the extra spice, other people don't.
Yeah, I'd say this is for a party. For a party, probably don't need to buy it just to have it in your house. Because I will never eat all these.
Maybe I will.
Well, maybe you'll help me. It'd be good to have you here in it. But again, hey, remember here at Chef Dawg, we review Costco food. And so if you know people that like Costco, which there's about 108 million of you out there that do, make sure to share it with them and like and all that other fun stuff. Okay, well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one. Bye.